So I'm sitting here steaming my face and watching the Samson movie. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, does this young actor, villain, know that he is working with Billy Zane? And I don't think he does. I don't think he realizes. And then I'm also like, oh my gosh, I think this is so real. That's my face steamer. It's getting real.
Oh my gosh, this face steaming is like, wow.
So today I am capsuling my own special herbal blends. This one is a GI broom. Sweep right through you. And then this one is for your adrenal gland. It's come down to this. This little thing is super nifty though. I'm telling you, if you like taking pills, gotta get one.